Hello, today we're going to learn how to set up the RV Bluetooth switches. Please make sure your Bluetooth switch is installed in the RV and is connected to 12 volt DC power. Let's begin by clicking on the RV zone. Press the top right hand plus button. The app will search for the Bluetooth names. Select the Bluetooth name that was on your Wi-Fi Bluetooth switch. In this instance, it will be WB2-S00100G. Choose light switch. Let's name the light switch. Let's select the company purchased from. And click Connect. Let's click onto the tile that says front passenger door. As you can see, we have one switch here. When I press it, I can turn it on and off. It's currently in the on position. I can add another switch by clicking the settings button. Let's click on two switches. Now we have two switches that we can control. You can also name your switches. Click on the settings button and name the switch you want it to be named. Press OK. Now let's click on the switch again. You can always customize the name of your switch. Thanks for watching.